You see, the issue here is when you take SHA, you have three funds. The chief, the primary care fund, and the emergency and critical care fund. As a Kenyan, I'm sick, I don't know that. So I'm saying that so long as I'm registered, whether I've paid the premium or not, I'm entitled to level 2 and level 3. Even there is still a problem, because in our country today, there is no proper referral system that will cleanly say, now I'm through with level 2 and 3, now I'm moving to level 4. You go to level 4, and there are still outpatient services that are actually should be paid for by primary care fund. Then you come to this chronic emergency. Again, it is public funded, isn't it? That's where it's not. So whether I've paid a premium or not, if I have cancer, I should be entitled to that wherever I am, because that does not depend on the premium, because that is paid from the taxpayer. So the issue we have here is we haven't had a clear delineation of the systems of how people access this. And that was my problem. This money is very little. So even if I took level 2 and 3, can I say that all Kenyans now, if they go to any level 2 and 3, they'll be treated and walk out without paying anything because you have this money? If not, then how are you distributing the little you have? And we will even go further, the capitation system, how does it work to cover that?
Once you have been registered as a member, you have made your contribution, you paid your premiums as a member, you will then receive treatment from level 4, 5, and 6. If, and within your treatment, the benefit packages you enjoy, which now we've enhanced, for example, oncology, to 550, your chief contributions will still pay for it. All right? And that will be your entitlement. In the event, and that's why this is emergency, chronic and critical illness, sometimes you exhaust your benefit entitlement. And therefore, the ECCIF funds now sets in. One, to take care of additional treatment that will be required, and those protocols are there. So once the patient has exhausted their benefit packages, they will enjoy that. The other issue we talked about, primary health care, it is not restricted to the public facilities. It goes faith-based, private, all facilities who have been contracted at the level 2 and level 3, they are entitled. And the payment is based on the capitation.